Uh-oh. Got one on. First fish of the day. No idea what it is. Come on over. Ooh. Come here, Mr. Brown. Ooh, come here, Mr. Brown. Beautiful little brown trout. Boom. Beautiful little brown trout. Nice.
Yeah, I haven't got anything down there. Damn, just missed one. Just missed one.
Come on, baby. Keep on coming upstream with me. What are you? What are you? Slow down. Nice little rainbow. Number 2. Switch it up to a lighter color. Come here. There you go. Switch it up to a lighter color simply because it's really murky out here, so I want them to see it. Hit that nicely, didn't you? Hit it nicely. That's number 2. That's number 2. 1 brown, 1 rainbow. I know Jay's gonna say, you're supposed to be keeping them. Yeah, well, I didn't buy a thing yet. Stringer, that's what that's called. I didn't buy a stringer yet.
Look at this. He's not big, but he's just fighting because he got the current.
It's a catfish. Jay done got him a catfish.
Yeah. Ooh.
Fishing for trout and got a catfish.
Daddy.